How to freeze location on Live 360 without anyone knowing. So to do that, you just need to follow some steps. It is very easy. You just need to go to your settings of your phone. Just go to your settings. Just go to your settings and scroll down until you see the location option. It may vary from phone to phone, but you just need to go and search for location. If you can't find it on your home page of your settings, just tap on the search bar and search for location. After searching on location, what you need to do is just turn off the toggle option. Right now we can see the location is on. You need access of location in order for the application to work, but we're gonna turn it off, and that will freeze your location on Live 360, and anyone won't know about it. You will be freeze there until you turn your location on again. The people can assume that you are in the same location for some certain time. So in that way, you can freeze your location on Live 360 without anyone knowing by following the steps. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.